Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be fixing the error that you encountered. No connections are detected in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you have encountered that problem, then please do finish watching this video till the very end. The very first thing we need to do is to go and open the control panel. So we can do that simply by making a search here in the Windows Search tab, Control Panel, and then you will get under Best Match the Control Panel option. Now, once you're in here, please do make sure that you are viewing this by category. So if you haven't, then please go to this View by option, click on this drop-down button, and then you can now select the category option. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to click on the Network and Internet option. Once you're in here, you will get these two options. So just please make sure that you select this Network and Sharing Center. Once you do that, you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to go to the left pane, click on the change adapter settings. And once you do that, you will get these options for your network connection. So please make sure that you select your network connection and it is not disabled. So if it is disabled, that means it is in color gray or it is grayed out. So please make a right click on that and then click on this click on the enable button. So since this is already enabled, I'll just disable this one, and then as you can see, this is how it looks when it is disabled. So just please make a right click and you will get this enabled button here. So just please click on that and then wait for a few minutes for it to be enabled, and then try to connect again your Wi-Fi or your network connection, see if the problem is already fixed. And once you're done with this one and you're still facing some issues, then just close this window and then we will proceed with the device manager. So please make a right click on the Windows icon and then go click on the device manager option here. And then once you do that, you will get this kind of window. So all you need to do is just to go to this network adapter. So please make sure that you select the correct network adapter driver that you have in your device. So I will be clicking on the wireless since I am connected with a public network, and all I need to do is just to make a right click on it, click on update driver, select the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here all you need to do is just to select the very latest or the latest compatible hardware driver that you have there, and then just select it, click on next, and then it will say that it's installing the drivers. And when it says that the Windows have already updated the driver, then you're good to go. Try to make a quick restart with your device. Close this window. Try to make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed, and if it's still not fixed, then we will be going to the control panel again. So here, type in the Windows Search tab Control Panel, and under Best Match the Control Panel option will be coming up. All you need to do is just to go again to the Network and Internet. Go click on the Internet options. And here, all you need to do is just to go to the Advanced tab. And you will get this option here, Restore Advanced Settings. So please click on Restore Advanced Settings. And if you see a reset button, so please click on the reset button, and then once you have done that, please click on apply, click on OK, close this window, and then make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. Once you're done with this one, then you're good to go. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.